Good morning and welcome to another episode of The Real House Builders. Today I'm going to give you an update. We haven't been on site for about a week, but yesterday was a bit miserable, very windy and rainy, but we've been putting on the counter batten on the exterior of the timber frame ready for the cladding. We haven't got the cladding yet. Cladding's not coming till next week, but with a little break in the weather we were trying to get the cladding all done. So let me show you what we've been up to. Got a little bit, two more elevations to finish off this morning, and then that'll be done. We'll be ready for the cladding, which would be good. So if I show you what we've done, follow me. Let's have a little look. So you can see behind me here, let me just exit this mode. You can see behind me here that we've got these horizontal battens and then these vertical battens, which in turn is then going to, once we bring that cladding down, by the time that kicks out, that cladding's just going to sit nicely with this on top of this plinth brick, or above it. So as you can see here, we've left a gap. So that gap is as that timber frame eventually settles, we've got enough clearance there so that this upright doesn't foul on that, and again the cladding will be left that much higher as well to allow for that. So you can see now we've got the brickwork plinth course is on. We're on the rear elevation at the moment, so that's all done. We've got upstairs, if you can see that, but we've got upstairs done as well, and we have just got this side left to do. We've got the horizontal in here. We've now got to put those vertical uprights, and then if I show you the bit that we've done yesterday, is looking nice. Down here, we've got all the horizontal and vertical cladding on there. So that is a nice job. We've still got to clad all the dormers. We've got a lot of dormers to clad, but that well, that'll probably be a job for tomorrow now, so I'm only on site for half a day. I've got to go in and do a talk to some local college students, so that'll be me till 1 o'clock, and then I've got to get over into town. So yeah, I'm only on site for a couple of hours this morning, so we're just getting that last little bit of cladding done, and that's it. So what I'll do is I'll give you a little insight to what we've been doing on this last little bit on the front that we've been working on, so you can see how it all goes on. But I'll speed it up a little bit for you, so we'll head into that video right now. So you got to see me finishing up the battens on the front elevation there on the little time lapse, and
that's before I had to shoot off to the colleges. So I'm back home now. It's a bit dark outside at the moment, so sorry it's not the best of light, but yeah, that was a good job today getting those battens on. So it's all sat there waiting now for the cladding, which is great news. We had a really nice day of weather, which helped. So looking forward to getting that cladding delivered next week. We can start showing you what that's going to look like. So it's really going to start to transform the outside of the property, really start bringing some of that look together. It's quite a striking and unique sort of colour scheme that we've got going on there. So I'd be really pleased to show you guys. So that's it for today. We've got the windows coming up soon, so we'll be fitting the windows. They'll be coming up, bifold doors going in a little while. I'll see if I can get a video later this week. The roof tiler, he started yesterday. So we've got the felt and batten and everything going on. We've got guttering, all those sort of exciting things happening over the next sort of week or two. So we'll keep you updated on them. So don't forget, please like and subscribe. Any questions or any bits you think I've missed or you'd like a bit more information on, you know, for anybody that's interested in taking the time to watch these videos, we'll try and produce what people wanna see. So don't forget, take a little look at our other videos if you haven't done already so, and please like and share. It really helps other people know and YouTube know that these videos are useful or you find them interesting, and hopefully other people get to see them as well, because the more that we can share and the more that people want to watch these videos, it obviously helps enthuse myself and the rest of the team to produce these videos. So really would like the support. So that's it for today. We're off out tonight, family birthday. So we're off to TGI Friday tonight for my niece's birthday. So I've got to get ready and get the kids ready to go out. So until next time, take it easy and thanks for watching.